shout out Nigeria. Shout out Nigeria. I did my 23andMe. It's kind of like Ancestry.com.
Yeah. I got 23andMe.
My shit came back like 53% Nigerian.
Oh shit.
Yeah, me and my mom need to have a talk.
Millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire, tougher than Nigerian hair.
The whole situation, everything that is happening is making sense. When we set out with our sensitization and also our unification movement for the Igbo people, we had one thing in mind: to cause an identity and a cultural revolution. And that exactly is what is happening everywhere around the world now for the Igbo nation. Everything that is happening is set to achieve the bigger aim, the bigger goal of Igbo Renaissance and also Igbo unification. This is our dear brother and artist of repute in the United States of America, that is Lil Wayne, tracing his roots to he used the word Nigeria, but it is obvious that the Igbo identity will win at the end of the day. So I am using this opportunity, this great opportunity that I have today, to reach out to every person that is out there, the Caribbeans, our Caribbean communities, and also in the United States of America, to look inwards, go for the ancestry testing. The time is Igbo o'clock, the time for us to unify as a people. We cannot be sharing the same DNA and you not making efforts to reconnect with the entire Igbo nation. Igbo people are great. Igbo people are expanding more, and we are becoming more influential, more powerful, and above all, we are a great people. So, my name is Chukwemeka, and I am the convener of the Unify Igbos Now movement, and also the coordinator of Acho Nwanne, the Igbo International Unification Project. We are reaching out to our people in the diaspora, everywhere in the diaspora, in Haiti, in Jamaica, in Barbados, in St. Kitts and Nevis, in Belize, everywhere, St. Lucia, everywhere that's Ndibo. Because you might be wondering, you might be asking yourself, how come? How come is that? The Igbo migration story dates back to the early days of the transatlantic slave trade in the 1600s and 1500s and thereabouts, where a massive shipment of the Igbo people that were captured as slaves in the Bight of Biafra was shipped to America, to the entire Caribbean regions, in the plantations. So certainly they multiplied over time, and that is why you are who you are today. So we are not trying to curse or to look back with hate over what made us spread out over there, but what we are looking at is the strength that we can have as a people, because we, the Igbo people, we are still right here. We are making efforts to connect with our people, and I am urging you, wherever you are, please make that connection. Connect with us. Acho Nwanne simply means I am searching for my brothers, and we have found a brother in you. Make that connection. Hit me on the comment section or directly message me so that we can begin from there. Thank you and God bless.